Yo guys, look at this. Boom 1000. We are killing boom 1000 right now. So I'm targeting to make $900 from boom 1000. If at all, we'll be smashing our TP on boom 1000. Okay, you can see my entry there with 4 lot size, two lot size each. The first targets here, which is our TP1, will be hitting. It will be $200 each position. Then the second target is pretty far from our entry. That's more like a swing trade. Okay, so that will be $700 plus the 200. That is like $900. So hopefully, if we can hit those levels, we are closing with $900. But if I can move my SL from here to here, my TP, my first target to this level, I can be making over 1,400. Yeah, about 1,400. All right, so I just gave this signal to the free Telegram channel and also the VIP guest. So check the description to join. And I'm sending currency signals as well. If you're looking for a way to be getting signals to build your firm account, make profits, you are in the right place. Check the description to join the free Telegram channel. So what's the reason for this trade? As simple as candlestick formation. This is one of my ideal candlesticks, bro. This is one of my ideal candlestick here. This guy here, this very green candlestick you see right there. So market dropped into, this is a demand. This is a demand. Market dropped into this demand and gave us a very sweet candlestick, very massive candlestick. We actually discussed on candlestick yesterday. All right, our last session in class yesterday was about candlestick, and we discussed candlestick yesterday. You can see now the same thing I discussed with my guys. One of my students just sent me some screenshots. Same thing I discussed with my guys, the same candlestick, the pattern and everything, how to make profit from them, is what I'm using to make money today. So it's pretty simple. This stuff is not as hard as they make it seem. So it's very simple. It's candlestick confirmation. And before you take the candlestick, there are some other things you need to take note of, which I will mention a few of them. Like every day, you move to your daily time frame, understand the previous candlestick, the pressure in the markets on the higher time frame, like the daily time frame, what is actually happening in the market. Okay, that will tell you where the market is actually going. Remember, you need to know where it's coming from and where it's going to. So that's gonna guide you make good decisions. All right, make good decisions in the market. So yeah, we have the yesterday candlestick closed with a rejection right there, and today went up and down around this level. I think this is just like a pullback into this support level. Okay, so if you check even on the weekly time frame, you can understand what we have here on the weekly time frame. This is a strong bullish candlestick. Then this one just dropped into this key level. And a rejection, which shows that this weak candlestick might want to come up to this level. That's why I'm targeting this high. All right. And when it comes up, this is our supply and it wants to take out liquidity above that level. We get our second target. All right. It's psychology, bro. You need to be very smart. So that's it from the weekly. We see we had a strong bullish candlestick, which shows the direction that broke this trend, this range, broke out from this range. Then the last week dropped. I tried buying boom 1000 for a long time last week. I tried buying it somewhere here, failed. So I think it has bounced off this level, and it will be going up. I can see how it closed above this level, and this week should be buying for a long time. Now on the daily time frame, yesterday closed with a rejection though, and then closed bullish. This one went up and down to this point and start buying, as you can see. So that's it. Then on the 4 hours time frame, though the previous 4 hours is bearish. Okay, the previous 4 hours is bearish, but I still feel like markets should be buying. All right, should be buying today. So previous 4 hours was bearish. Let's check the 2 hours time frame. Let's check the 2 hours time frame. 2 hours was bearish as well, but you see 2 hours will be closing pretty soon because it's just 30 minutes left. Okay, 2 hours will be closing pretty soon. That shows that it's likely going to close bullish. If it closes bullish, if it's going to close bullish, that means we are likely going to hit our target, first target at least today. So on the 1 hour time frame, which I already show you guys, you can see the confirmation, the candlestick confirmation. All right, and market has given us this breakout to this point, a pullback up to this point, and another pullback. Should be doing the same thing again. So as it's doing that, we are making profits. As simple as that, bro. As simple as that. So though there's few other things you need to take note of, which I know everybody should learn. Everybody needs to learn. If you want to be successful in trading, you don't just stay on the fence and try using indicators to make money. Come in, face your fear, face the real market, use price action. Don't be afraid of anything and start making good profits for yourself. The academy is open for August and September batch. Don't fail to join. Check the description. Chat me up for a special discount. Let's grow together and make money. Thank you.
Came with a plan in my palm. Small stack, big calm. You smile when the numbers move, then you flinch when the market turns. I read your face in the dust. I know when the pressure climbs. One hand in, one hand out.